Hey everybody, this is Melissa Zonin. I am the media specialist at Pope High School, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly import sources from any of our Gale resources that we have available to us in the Cobb Digital Library on Mac and VIA. Right now I'm in the homepage of my Noodletools, so you can see all my different projects I have here. I'm going to use this one that doesn't have any sources in it, so we have a fresh start. So here's my dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and click over onto my sources tab, and you're going to see that there is not anything there. So we are ready to add our sources. So in another tab, you're going to open up your Cobb Digital Library and go to the databases. Anytime that you are looking through this, if you look underneath the main title of a source, so like here's one database called Artemis, right here it says Gale. That's how you'll know something's a Gale source. Or if you look in the picture, you'll see this one is a Gale in context. This is a Gale source. So you're going to be able to see what kind of database it is, what publisher it's created. So this is going to, the way I'm going to show you today works with any of those resources. So I'm just going to use Artemis. All right, and I'm just going to do a quick search for Hamlet. And just for what we're doing today, I'm going to click on the first one just so we can get to an actual article. All right, so here we have an article. You can read all the way through at the bottom. You've got your source information there. But at the top of all of these pages, you're going to see this little Cite button. So you're going to click on Cite, and you have your MLA, edition of the citation there, and under here is the quick way to cite this. So we can go ahead and click on Export to Noodletools. It's going to open up a new page. Basically, this is asking you, are you sure the citation is correct? We know that this was put together by professionals, so everything's correct. We don't need to edit anything. The biggest thing you need to look at is down here at the bottom of the page. Right here, you just need to make sure that you're on the correct project. So if you have multiple projects going at a time, just make sure that you're importing it to the correct one. So you're going to click the Import References button, and then you get this little green line that says it's been successfully exported into your project. So we're going to go back into our Noodletools screen. Notice that it doesn't look like it's there, so I'm just going to hit the refresh button, and there we have our source. So all of the Gale products work just that easily to get your sources cited in Noodletools. So again, it's just that Cite button and then Export to Noodletools. Click the project you want to go into and hit Export. And there you have it. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, always see your media specialist at your local school, and they can help you out.